Hi, I'm Thomas Fraser-Bacon from AllSee Technologies. This is our fourth consecutive year at AllSee, and we're exhibiting our flagship solutions as well as a host of all new products to our growing partner network. AllSee Technologies are a UK-based digital signage OEM established in 2007, and unlike other manufacturers, we're exclusively focused on the commercial display market, so aim to be a one-stop shop. Our solutions combine the elements of a 24/7 commercial-grade LCD panel, an integrated Android media player, and our own CMS software. This all-in-one approach makes our solutions easier to promote, use, install and support. 2019 was a flagship year in AllSee's history. We opened a new state-of-the-art warehouse and showroom facility in the UK, as well as a new sales and showroom office in Belgium, specifically to support our European partners. We also launched a record number of new solutions this past year. As well as showcasing our core ranges at AllSee, such as Android advertising displays, freestanding digital posters, a variety of high brightness window displays, digital menu boards and PCAP and infrared touchscreens, we're also using AllSee 2020 to officially launch our innovative new rod-powered displays for estate agent windows. We're also using this year's AllSee to launch our new high vibrance 700 candela Android displays, which are ideal for brightly lit retail spaces. We're also unveiling our new outdoor battery-powered A-board following the successful launch of our indoor version earlier last year. We're noticing a shift towards the corporate market for our partners, so we're using AllSee to showcase our new 4K interactive whiteboard solution with built-in multi-device mirroring and file sharing, as well as our new interactive 10-inch PCAP touchscreens, ideal for meeting room booking systems, as well as traditional digital signage and touchscreen applications. AllSee are proud to be previewing our new 55-inch curved OLED video wall displays. Thanks to the super thin 3mm profile, you can create curved video walls with a radius as low as 1 metre, both in landscape and portrait orientations, as well as concave and convex. Quality is our top priority, and as such, all of the products that we design and manufacture come with a full 3-year warranty, as well as free lifetime technical support. For more information about our full range of solutions, please go to allsee-tech.com.